Hello friends, myself Salminen and welcome to my YouTube channel Love for Nature. Today's topic is how to take care of snake plant during winter season. Snake plant is also known as Sansevieria plant. So first I will talk about its soil mixture. Snake plant loves well-drained soil mixture, so you can use 50% soil and 50% sand as a soil mixture. Now let's talk about its water requirement. This plant is succulent plant, so this plant does not require more water. So you should water this plant after 4 days during winter season. This plant loves bright light spot, as well as you can keep this plant in direct sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. You can multiply snake plant by separating their baby plant. Snake plant can survive in dry environment both indoor and outdoor. Snake plant filter indoor air. So if you want plant which is indoor and as well as air purifier plant, so you can go for it. This will be the right choice. And if you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video related with plants. And thank you so much for watching my video.